Indonesia is a nation rich in diversity, spanning languages, ethnicities, race, religion, culture, and more. All of this is embedded into the national motto, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means unity in diversity, or in Indonesia, berbeda-beda tetap satu jua. This diversity directly influences how individuals socialize, think, and communicate. For example, the Javanese people typically utilize a high context culture. They often do not express their thought directly. Instead, they use metaphors to maintain politeness, harmony, and to avoid unwanted conflict. This gives the impression that Javanese people are polite, gentle, and refined. Now, in contrast, the Batak people tend to use a low context culture. They express their emotion openly and say exactly what they feel, even if their words might be perceived as hurtful. This causes the Batak people to be seen as firm and expressive. Now, while both groups have unique communication style, these differences unfortunately can create a tribal stereotypes. First, from the Batak perspective, some believe that Javanese people are incompatible in certain situations. Why? Because they are perceived as overly soft and indecisive. Also, they may feel impatient with the gentle demeanor of the Javanese. On the other hand, the Javanese perspective, conversely, some believe that the Batak are abrasive, overly blunt, and have a short temper, often expressing emotion with loud and harsh voices. Though it may seem simple, a lack of communication and a lack of cross-cultural understanding can damage the relationship between ethnicities, race, religion, and cultures in Indonesia. Therefore, as Indonesian citizens, we must uphold the value of Pancasila and Bhinneka Tunggal Ika to strengthen the bonds of brotherhood. There are various ways to strengthen national relations. We can start by cultivate deep tolerance, help one another, and appreciate contributions regardless of the ethnic background. Other than that, we can avoid ethnocentrism, steer clear of behavior that can create a stereotypes or trigger intergroup conflict. Every culture has its own unique value. And then we can use the pause method. P for pause. Do not judge immediately. A. Ask for evidence. Does the data we see are true? Or are we just guessing? U. Understanding context. Are there any cultural languages or situational factor that we do not yet understand? S. Speak inclusively. Use open questions and language that does not generalize. And E. Evaluate and repair. Acknowledge our fault, correct it, and change our behavior next time. And last but not least, we can reduce the habit of judging others instantly by pausing to reflect, choosing polite words, and respecting diverse backgrounds. In essence, we cannot judge a person solely by their outward appearance or by what we see and hear. We must understand that everyone has a unique background, be it ethnicity, race, culture, or religion. By doing so, we can maintain and nurture harmonious relationships and tolerance among the people of Indonesia. My name is Muhammad Sulthan Zulfikar from Class C. I hope this video helped you understand the importance of intercultural communication. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.